Welcome back to another video. This is just going to be like my birthday vlog, things that we get up to or planned, not get up to, I planned the day for the most part. So we had some things scheduled and I'm just happy to take you guys along with me for the day. So let's rewind back to this morning so you can check it out. Okay, so yesterday was actually my birthday, but today is the day that we're going out and doing stuff, which I'm looking forward to. I'm gonna vlog today. So I'm not really planning to have breakfast. I just made a green smoothie, my typical green smoothie, orange juice, spinach, some mixed frozen fruit, and then I put in a packet of vitamin C. Emergency because I've been a little congested, so getting my greens, so I feel good today. It's actually my mom's cup. Oh, hold up, okay.
It's my birthday. It's a little cold.
It is a little.
Everyone's done with their thing.
Okay. Choose your vessel. So one you're gonna get? Mm-hmm. You're not gonna get that one, Ma?
Yeah, I'm great.
In between? I like this one. I think it's gonna be like 2 wicks. I like the top two and the color.
I like it a lot.
Yeah.
It looks like
What y'all thinking?
and leather.
That one's a little too oaky for me.
Yeah. Sparkling bergamot. I'm sorry, smell this really quick.
That's good.
Yeah.
I like this one. I wish if it was lighter, like a little less colonial, would be good. Oh, actually, did you flip a sandal? I don't smell it enough for me to think. I think I'm gonna go with sparkling bergamot. What's that? It's a little foggy.
You leaning towards this thick one?
Yeah, the same. I mean, I had that one in my room. I really liked it. It smells delicious.
Oh, yeah,
it's springy. It's light. I think we took our rice. We grabbed this, right?
Yeah.
We had a unique experience at Patty Wax. It was so fun and all of us would gladly go back in a heartbeat. It's so cool that you get to pick out your vessel and even choose your scent for your candle. There were so many options for the vessels, and the best part is that the company, they really promote reusing, so the vessels are meant to be reused in some way, shape, or form. Some were food grade, so you could use it as a cup afterwards, and some had holes in the bottom, which was covered by a sticker that could be reused as a pot for a plant.
Do you have to do that, right? No, you don't have to, right? It's just as quick?
No, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Put it on there and then we zero it out. My scale is incorrectly calibrated, so I'm gonna use Tashi's scale.
You want me to keep it on?
Zero it out. You're gonna have to zero it out one more time. There we go.
That feels good. Oh, that's gonna be nice. Yeah. How much wax I have versus? Yeah, you gotta put more. Okay, so.
I like this.
Yeah, this is fine. Yeah.
We're done. We're at Bartaco.
Rojo.
R-O-J-A.
Roja.
Roja.
Roja. And this is like tortillas that are gonna be chips. Okay, go ahead. Somebody have some. Gotta get an action shot.
I don't know what this salsa is, but it's really good. Good and spicy. Okay, so
So my regular margarita. What'd you get? The Reviver. The Reviver. Look at her. It's so refreshing. And mom got the spicy with that big chunk of jalapeno.
Cheers, guys. Cheers.
Happy birthday. Vodka somewhere. This right here. That's danger. That milk, man. Can I have that picture, or did you do a boomerang or something? It's a video. I'll send it to you. This is nice. Okay, we got a flight of. This is a watermelon spicy margarita. Still early. Margarita 1. Margarita 2. This is a spicy watermelon with tahini on the rim. Oh, hey. So good. Tell them how you feel about this margarita right here.
It's on fire.
It's on fire.
It's on fire.
She gave us shots to try, and she said whoever likes it best can have the big one, but it's good, right?
But it's her birthday.
So we got 2 ribeye tacos. I think he said this is a duck. This is a duck, a baja, and then we got 2 pork bellies. So those are for you, Mom. And
So,
what'd you get?
I got a pork belly, ribeye, and a duck.
And then she got.
And I got some cucumber.
And then we got some Mexican street corn.
So this is good. I don't think real tacos come with cheese on them.
They don't. That's American tacos. The baja. The baja's delicious.
The fucking thing.
We doing something. Roasted duck. It's a little spicy. This is so good. I think I'm gonna have it. They're doing something. Oh, the duck is really good. The dog?
Alright, I'm gonna do the ribeye next.
I'm gonna know you said it. Duck. Duck one is good. This is really, really, really good. Take my money. This is so good. I don't even have words. Last taco. Sesame ribeye. Kimchi and cilantro.
I don't know.
I'm prepping for the pork belly.
Get a bite. I'm gonna say pork belly done.
My mom's pork belly. I think I'm gonna say Doug's pork belly. I get it. This is a.
You sure you want to make sure you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. I agree. It's basically what you're looking for. When I'm thinking taco, I'm not thinking sweet, but that's delicious. Yeah. I think the duck is my favorite, but that's second. Then it's baja, and then it's this. I think they need maybe more onion. We're foodies, so if we like the food, if nothing is bad, it's a good food. Like really.
I feel like going saying I was here, like right now.
Yeah, right. Like
I don't feel like going
let
home.
people know.
Yeah, I go home and be like, I was here.
Crazy though, because we like different things when it comes to food, all 3 of us. So we all love it from top to bottom, like from drinks to food.
And the server.
Yeah, she knows what she's doing. She upselling. I like her. She knows what she's doing. Walking into the car right now.
This town's so late. I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m. I'm not even tired.
So this right here is my favorite plane. It's from, what's that movie? Transformers, but I liked it before then because we came here like 2 or 3 times for a field trip for school.
Museum's gonna be very angry. What planet am I on? Earth. Earth? Terrible name for a planet. Might as well call it Dirt. Planet Dirt.
And there's like a giant spaceship back there, but we're gonna go down to the left.
Loving this feeling of something new. Just right what I needed.
It's honestly a bit dark in here if I had to say so myself, but
We can drive away.
it's crazy. It looks like bike tires.
tell it's vintage. It's got the wood and then it always looks like freaking bike tires. The propellers, wow. Oh my god, there's 707 right there. This guy jumped from this thing at 3,700 meters, fell for 4 minutes, 19 seconds, set the world record for the highest balloon flight, highest free fall, and fastest speed of free fall. He was going 844 miles per hour. That's insane. What are you looking at? Is that a beach chair? Wonderful. The James McDonald Space Hangar. We don't know what that is though. What's that? We need to look for like a little like explanation plaque or something. This is the Discovery. It flew for like 25 years or something crazy like that. When we were kids, the one that was in here, it was like straight up and down. This one's like laying down. It was like up like that. Some highlights of the Discovery mission. Tracking and data relay satellite is for that thing there. Under optimum conditions, it can transfer in a second, the equivalent of a 20-volume encyclopedia in 1 second. From space.
Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night.
You guys, I honestly had such an incredible day. We had so much fun making candles. You guys already know I'm a creative, clearly. I have a YouTube channel, but that was literally just such a fun process. And you can actually get the candles refilled for 20 bucks normally, or every last Friday of the month they have a $10 refill. It's half off, which is super cool, and you can reuse your vessel. The company is all about like reusing, reducing, recycling. So a lot of the vessels, which is like what you put your candle in, they have like other purposes. Some of them are food grade, so you can use them for food, or you can use them for storage. But I really like the shape of my candle, and honestly I plan to just take advantage of the refill for $10 because I love candles, and being able to customize the scent I think is so unique. That was super dope. And then we went to Bartaco. I love Bartaco, you guys. You guys know we like to cook at my house. We love to eat good. And every single one of us loved pretty much every single thing that we got. The margaritas were divine. Like, the best thing about their margaritas, which the waitress told us, is things are fresh squeezed. And when I make margaritas, I always emphasize, like, I really love fresh lime juice in my margaritas versus a margarita mix, which I do use from time to time, but fresh lime juice is just, it's unbeatable. It adds this delicious, like, I wish I could explain. It's just so good. So everything from beginning to end at Bartaco was phenomenal. We were all like, wow, this place is amazing, we want to come back. And then we spent about an hour or so at the Air and Space Museum, which I thought was a good idea because your candles have to dry or set for about 3 hours before you can go pick them up, or other stuff that would be fun to do to use some time up. We went to the Air and Space Museum to see Avatar: Way of the Water because they have the super big IMAX screen, and it was amazing. And I was like, oh, we should come back. There's just so much to like planes that I just didn't know, and it was super cool to go. And it was just a beautiful day. Like, the weather was literally like 75. Beautiful weather, beautiful food. I had such a beautiful day. Shout out to my family. I love you guys. We had a great time today, and I appreciate y'all. And yeah, so that's pretty much what we did today. It was such a fun day. I feel so blessed and grateful, and from start to beginning, everything was great. And then we ended the day with a coffee. Yeah, I really appreciate you guys watching today. I hope you enjoyed my vlog, my birthday vlog. Try to give this video a thumbs up because that supports me and my channel, which I'm so appreciative of. And of course, subscribe for more content. I love you guys, and I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time.